Yep. Okay. So this is the Signature Series Monaco 45 foot. Anything over 40 foot has to have tag axle. As you can see, the two axles at the back. The front ones are dual, and the back one is a single tyre. There are a total of 8 tyres on this vehicle. 7 of them are under 3 years old. 5 of them are actually brand new. And the final one, the tyre place said had plenty of tread. It was a good tyre. So you've got good tyres all around. You've got, okay, let's start talking about storage. You've got these wonderful slide out storage. Now I've got all my cleaning material and tools here right now. So these slide out real good. And this is huge. I don't know if you can see how big this is. So this is the largest of the slide outs, and you can get a couple of tubs in the other side if you want to.
Is it pass through? Does it go all the way
It's a
through?
pass through. Yeah, it goes all the way through. All right. So that is bay number 1. And by the way, you have all these exterior dock lights that are awesome for when you're setting up, when you arrive at night or whatever. Or if you just want to hang out at night, they're great. There's your diesel tank access. You have another pass through. This one comes a long way out. Okay, so in these 2 tubs here, we've got your water hose and your dump hoses. And in this one here, we've got some air tools, which are great. This actually has an onboard compressor that you can access to pump the tires up, your trailer tires, your bicycle, whatever you want. Air tools, whatever you want. So it'll pump up to about 110 pounds. Okay. Here we have the aforementioned batteries. There's 5 of them, 5 250 amp hour batteries, brand new, like I said, 2.5 grand's worth of batteries. So they've got a lot of life left in them. They're only, what, 6 months old maybe. Then we have another pass-through storage here, area here, where I've got some oils and fluids, and there is a 50 amp extension cord in here that comes with the bus. Then the next one is your water area, and this is where all of these valves right here shut off individual water pipes should you have a leak. You've also got shut off valves. You've got an aqua hot system, which is basically used for central heat and hot water. That does need servicing, and you know, we'll do a deal for that if we need to. You don't really need it until winter, but it's a pretty, in fact, it's a really great system. I just need to get it serviced. That's that. All right, I don't even remember what's back there. That's just systems. One access panel here for, this is your batteries, the chassis batteries, the ones that start the motor. So total of 7 batteries on board. There's 2 in there to start the motor. And then back here is the engine bay. There you've got it. That big old diesel 450 horsepower monster. Now, something else that's really great about this bus is this. It's one of the reasons we bought it. It has a 10,000 pound hitch, so you can tow great loads with it. We towed a trailer with a Mini in it, and a bunch of gear, so that's why we wanted a 10,000 pound hitch. All right, let's talk about this. There's 2 slides. I will show you some photos. Well, if you look in the photos, you'll see it with the slides in. They both have slide toppers. They are hydraulic slides, so they don't bust like a lot of motorhome. These are good high-end slides. Never given us a minute's problem. All right. Next this is your business bay where you're going to dump. You have a nice little outdoor water. You can turn the pump on and off out here. Okay, now there are they're the dump things. You take your city water in here, close and open right there. All right, and of course a tank flush. So you just put the fresh water in there and it flushes out your black and grey tanks. Keep them nice and clean. This here is one of the cool features of this bus that I have really enjoyed. Look at that, a motorized electric hookup. A couple of power outlets out here if you want to do some outside work. Okay, there you go, and there's a light out here too if you're doing it at night. Next bay, this was the other side of the pass-through with the 50 amp extension. Okay, and then you've seen, oh, one thing I will show you in the electric is, nope, it's not in that one. There's one of the inverters right there, and then the next inverter is in the next bay up high. So that pretty much covers it. There's 3 bays under the slide. I'm not going to get into them. They all pass through from the other side that you can see, as I already showed you from the other side. Okay, coming around the front, you've got your whole chassis fuse box situation down here. And then on the front of the bus, you've got 6-way mirrors, which are really cool for seeing. You know, you're driving a big vehicle, you want full good view, and they will do it for you. Okay, I'm going to slide out this in a second. Slide out the Okay, I'm showing you this generator for 2 reasons. First of all, it's been completely refurbished. It has a brand new generator side. The diesel engine side is rock solid, and the generator side now has been replaced, it's rock solid. So this is going to give you a good few thousand hours, but plenty of life, basically its whole life left in front of it. There you go, that's the generator.